morning, everyone. Today we're finishing up our trip to Romeoville, Illinois, and after that we are heading to Elwood, Illinois for a pickup and dropping off in Fulton, Missouri. It's a busy full day. It's very cold. It's like 27 degrees outside. I don't like this. But anyway, let's get on the road. We made it. It's 10:59. Appointment was for 12. They took us and unloaded us. So we're doing good. It's going to be a full day. As I said earlier, we got to run down to Missouri, drop that off, and try to get over to the next shipper and pick that load up today. I don't know if we're gonna make it. We're gonna try, but we'll see. All right, guys, we made it to our second pickup. Well, our second stop. The appointment wasn't until 4 o'clock. I got here about 12:30. They gave me a door, but they said it's going to be a while. So I'm not going to start getting impatient until 5 o'clock. So we'll have to see what happens. We might be late for stuff, but not much I can do about it. So, just gonna hang out. Hello, my little Canadian friends. Someday I'll be after you again. Just not today.
We're back loaded up. I was gonna take you guys along with me to close the doors and everything, but it's super windy out. And just blow the sound out, blow your ears out. And to be honest, I'm in a rush, as I said earlier today. We got like a 5.5 hour drive down to Fulton, Missouri. So we're gonna get there, drop this trailer, pick up an empty, and try to get to our next stop and load it before time runs out. We'll have to see if we make it or not, but that's the plan. This is I-55 South, Illinois. We're heading south towards Bloomington, Illinois. Running down the road. We just got fuel here at the Loves off of Interstate 72 South, heading towards Missouri, exit 64. We got about 2.5 hours left in this little John. Clock's starting to play a factor here, so hopefully everything goes smoothly and we can get to our
in 600 feet turn left onto Illinois Route 267th Street
and get that picked up. It's probably as far as we're going to get tonight. 4 hours and 21 minutes. We got like 2 hours and 27 minutes left.
Now turn left
to this pickup, and then another hour. I'm sorry, we have 2 hours and 27 minutes to the receiver, and then another hour to our next load.
In 700 feet turn right to join the Interstate 72 west towards Quincy.
We gotta hustle. We can't can't dilly-dally. But
Now turn right to join the highway.
jump back on the highway here and keep going. Got some coffee at the Loves. This being dark at 6 o'clock is ridiculous. I hate this time of year, other than it's football season and hunting season. Back to the road.
Follow Interstate 72 west for 28 miles.
We're back in Missouri. We got about 45 minutes left to the shipper. We have 2 hours and 37 minutes left on our clock. And it's 54 miles to the next shipper. 54 minutes to the next shipper. Not exactly sure what we're going to do yet. But we're getting close. A lot of small towns out here in this part of Missouri. We're in like northeast Missouri. Pretty nice out here. Hard to see. It's also nice to be out of the cold. About to roll in.
In 1,000 feet turn left and then you will reach your waypoint. Now turn left and then you will reach your waypoint.
We're here. It's the next morning. I got done last night and I just kind of crashed. But we got it done, got it delivered. All is good. So today we're gonna be moving on down the road, heading for another load. But that's gonna be in the next video. So thank you guys all for watching. Thanks for riding along. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks guys. See you tomorrow.